Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to place a point spread bet on the NBA in BET365. This entire process is quite simple and straightforward. What we're going to do is, within the BET365 application, we're going to meticulously look for all the available sports as we clearly have them displayed here. We will then proceed to click here on the sports section, and subsequently what we're going to do is carefully choose the specific basketball option. We will click right here. And at this point we'll have access to all the various we'll have everything related to basketball. We're going to scroll down, okay, we're going to swipe down, and here we'll find the games, the game lines. Alright, when we click here on game lines, here we'll see everything related to in the exciting world of NBA games. To place a spread bet is an incredibly straightforward and simple process. We just need to carefully choose one of the two available outcomes, okay? Here, as you can clearly see on your screen, we are going to meticulously pick one of the two distinct outcomes presented to us. And when we successfully select it, down at the bottom of the interface, right here, we will then observe, well, here too, a detailed display of the chosen selection and its associated information, making the entire betting experience very clear and user-friendly. Place the bet. So what we're going to do is enter an amount here, okay? For example, it can be any amount, and then we click here on place bet, okay? And that's it. We click here, and that's all there is to it. It's really easy and simple. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.